Plant propagation is an important practice in gardening. Surprisingly, the most popular method of raising new plants is not seed sowing but propagation by stem cutting. Stem cutting is a vegetative way of plant propagation and it is also the quickest, simplest way of cloning a plant. Additionally, it is also the cheapest and the most convenient method. In stem cutting method, new plant maintain the characters of mother plant without showing any variation. In stem cutting, a healthy vegetative shoot of a mother plant is cut off and it is encouraged to form roots. This can be done by putting the shoot in a rooting hormone. Once the roots are established, the cutting can be treated as a separate plant and can grow in the desired place. So hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Surupa Diaries with one more new video. Friends, in this video we are going to share flowering plant that you can easily grow by small cutting in the month of August and September, or you can purchase from the nursery. These are so easy care, low maintenance flowering plant that even beginners can grow. So let's start the video. But before we start, keep few points in the mind that for successful propagation in the summer, avoid direct sunlight and ensure cuttings are kept in a well-draining, moist medium. Number 2, water cuttings early in the morning to allow them to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. That's all. These plants are very easy to grow from cutting in the summer. So let's start the video.